what light through the yonder window breaks? It is the east, and HomeHitz is the sun. Hey, this ain't no Shakespeare. This is HomeHitz, and you know what it is. It's your girl NDJ. What's up? Akkam jirtan daawwattoota teenya baga nagaan walitti deebine. Sagantaa keenya akka torbaan dabaree akkuma argitan Oromiyaa keessa Harargee keessa deemnee turre. Isiniif ibsine sirboota shaggooyyee wajjin bashannanne enjoy goone miti. Amma garuu torbaan kana naannoo biraa osoo hin gahin ayyaana kanaaf jennee jidduutti dhaabne. Torbaan dhufuu itti fufna. And with that being said, y'all know Valentine's is just around the corner, so we are here to take a pause and celebrate with all of you guys. We asked you to dedicate a song and a message to your loved ones and send it to us on HomeHitz so we can share those on this special day. And many of you did just that. On here today, you will hear a lot of messages and see a lot of music videos or songs that is dedicated to you. Yes, you. Names will be dropped, messages, poems, and songs will be dedicated to you. Did you know? Your loved ones is thinking about you. Love is coming your way and your lover is celebrating you. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Love has many different emotions. It's the most powerful thing in the world. You know what? Let's get to it and see. Before we get to the special request, we're going to play one song. Shukri Jamal, Ammuma. Mee akka jaalalti nama gootu alaallu.
Yaadannaa rafeen buluu ayyaada kee hirriba keessa nagan galchaa waa'een kan kee si argu qalbiin boqottee yaa jaalallee si argu qalbiin boqottee yaa jaalallee si yaadannaa rafeen buluu ayyaada kee Hirriba keessa nagan galchaa waa'een kan kee si argu qalbiin boqottee yaa jaalallee deemsi kee fagoo taa'ee dhabduu si maltuu haakaa taphatti dilbisi bu'ee jiraattus lafa baataa barbaadu fixee taachi sitti taatus jireenyi dhugaatti harka kuuftuu sirra aanu sammeenyi. Hedduu ulfaataa jaalaltalaala halkaniif guyyaa anatta wallaala ammuma ammuma nafoota ammuma yeroos mi'ooftii jaalatti kadhamma.
Thank you to those who sent in a request to dedicate a song to their someone special. Unfortunately, not everybody's request has a music video. But don't worry, we'll play a small clip of the song and also pass on your message. And now at number 10, this is one of the songs that does not have a music video. From Shanko to Gifty by Getachew Hailemaram Akkabala.
Akkabala safo mukeganna nyaatwe akka jaalalafo mukeetti wal baatu Akkabala safo mukeganna nyaatwe akka jaalalafo mukeetti wal baatu
Hey Gifty, that was a beautiful song dedicated to you and I hope you like it. Oh, that's not all. Here's a small message for you as well. Ya intala kuyu, kutu sinega, sin jedeshankon. And now another song with no video from Bay to Iz. Ali Shabu, halkan dukana.
halkan dukkana dhaysatti kophaa imimmaan jalalaa warra raphaa yeroo dabarsinee gammachuu garaan koo dadhabee irraanfachuu yeroo dabarsinee gammachuu garaan koo dadhabee irraanfachuu. Ililli sambale talimde ballama gone harka walidone amarti si khaye fi rabase khangume babate lati khayse. Ililli sambale talimde ballama gone harka walidone amarti si khaye fi rabase khangume babate lati khayse.
Hey Iz, that was a special song dedicated to you, and that's not all. Let's read the message he sent as well. They say the person you think of when you stand in front of the ocean, that's the person you are in love with. You know it was real when you visit my mind at my peaceful and sacred place. I love loving you. What a beautiful message. Well said. And they have couple's name. It's Bay. Oh, that's cute. That's very adorable. How you guys enjoying it so far? So many beautiful, lovely couples with beautiful messages for one another. I mean, hey, this is what Valentine's about, you know what I mean? You should express your love to one another every single day, but on this special day, just make each other feel extra special. Let's go to the next person. And now from AF Oromia to Ase Aji, Halaf Amalam by Biftu Abdullah.
Halaf Amalafi Bifakhetla, Jalala Dukati, Yakabesra. Halaf Amalafi Bifakhetla, Jalala Dukati, Yakabesra. Sindale Jatu Damba Erara, Pareda Romo Bona Obara.
To hear. This is actually a female version and I have not heard of it before, but it sounds amazing. This is actually originally by our legend Adam Heeraan. Hey, what a beautiful choice. Now, let's go into this beautiful message she has sent us. It's actually walalo da, walalo isin, sif baresite, sif dubbisufi yala. Namaracha, ibe burahin kabu, lukumni ko suma, kamni ko lukae, yaada keetiin dhuma kuman si yaada'an guyyaan si'a hedduu siif malee onneen koo tasuma hin ragaddu dhukkuba onnee kiyyaaf damma koo situ qoricha dhibee biraa hin qabu jaalala keettu na maraacha. Asee Haajii walaloo siif katabamee siin gennee jirra baay'ee ni bareeda. AF Oromiyaa irraa, I hope you like it. Happy Valentine's. And now let's go to another beautiful couple. Jay dedicating a song to Beef too. So Naf, Adam, Amma Homal Tate.
Ansi bare kamra baru maltate jalala ketin samunko mbokonna argate amma ho maltate amma ho maltate amma ho maltate amma ho maltate amma ho. Sora onne koti filatamtuu koo dawaa jaalalaa qalbiiti si filadhee jaalalaan nattiin boonimmee ati soora onnee kooti filatamtuu koo dawaa jaalalaa qalbiiti si filadhee jaalalaan nattiin boonimmee ati jaalala dhugaa qaba nanu si jaaladhee anka biraa waan baruu kan koo ta'e malee jaalala dhugaa qaba nanu si jaaladhee anka biraa waan baruu kan koo ta'e malee erga guyyaa wal barreeti iftuu ta'oo anaaf dawaadhaati mina hili jaalalaanu nan dagatiin nu wal dagachuu hin qabnu onni kan koo keessa seentee amma dhumaa anka biraa waan barbaadu tiyyasuma 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 amma hoo maal taate amma hoo maal taate amma hoo maal taate amma hoo maal taate amma hoo
Urga guyyaa wal barreeti biiftu koo anaaf dawaadhaati. I mean, that is just so beautiful. And Beeftu, Jay also would love to let you know the butterfly from day one has never left my stomach. Forever in love. Happy Valentine's Day, babe. Jaalalolli mul'isuun akkana bareeda. Isin martinuu ka meesajii viidiyoo sirboota kan nu ergitan martu jaalala dhugaa qabdanii waliif akkana wal jabeessaa ka jaalala qabus ka jaalala hawwus gareen ka wal fuutanis ka wal hin fuunes jaalala dhugaa hoo waliin mul'istanii jaalalti dhugaa always and forever will last. Chocolates and roses are not forever, but messages like this will last for a very long time. So keep this going. How are you guys feeling? How are you feeling about all these messages about each other? Are you happy? I mean, you know what? And now let's go to another beautiful couple. Barite dedicating a beautiful song to Elias. Sagli by Lencho Gamachu.
Setriae, Setriae, Setria, 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 Setriae, Setriae, Setria, Setria, Setria. Chora no punno bae, ilupaborio bente beye, beye, Dora ni rambure bae, sibe matu no rumbu bae. Malaya kormako mal magana tantari sirbinan sirbi malaya damako mal magana kabari durale sayambora ya kormako goticho bari dule anindan joru fo suma ayantuti mitkintole ilubabor ilubabor bardi bora je sanfachu makora ilubabor bardi bora ajje sanfachu Ora Malia Bania Kilole Sirbi Male 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 Irra keessa qotanna sangaan keenya battali bar sangaan keenya battali Rakeessa koofallaa garaa keenya gargari garaa dhiiran beekani.
Kanniisni farsoon soortuu yaa korma kooyee dama bifaatti sonti nantuu brindaa marranteessuu korma kooyee eraa kooftaama kurtee borri booraa ajjeesaan faacha kooraa borri booraa ajjeesaan faacha kooraa.
Abbaan koo duruu jagna afaan kee duroo damma afaan kee duroo damma maasoo giddachuu maniyyee abbaan koo duruu jagna.
And now, let's read this beautiful message from Barite to Elias. Happy Valentine's Day to the most special person in my life. I am so lucky to call you my husband and my best friend. Thank you, my love. Elias, you are a special man because Barite has said what she felt and dedicated such a beautiful song to you. We hope you love it. Happy Valentine's Day to both of you. Enjoy this lovely day. Alright, you guys, let's continue spreading the love. Here's another beautiful couples. Heeraan dedicating a song to Harmon. A song by Aloe Black, I Do.
Thought I was good on my own, I was alright. Thought I was grown and the strangers I'd known, they were alright. Thought that I knew everything, never wrong, I was alright. Oh, I was good on my own, I was alright. Oh, I lived a whole life thinking I knew how my heart could handle love, love I thought I knew. Everything before us was stretching out my heart just so it could be big enough to beat for two. Never understood why people always say love chooses you. Now I do. Now I do. Didn't ever think that I could ever say I promise you. And now I do. Now I do. Now I do. This is the road, we can see where it goes together. You are my home and I know I can stay forever. Oh, I lived a whole life thinking I knew how my heart could handle love, love I thought I knew. Everything before us was stretching out my heart just so it could be big enough to beat for two. Never understood why people always say love chooses you. Now I do. Now I do. Didn't ever think that I could ever say I promise you. And now I do. Now I do. Now I do. I do. Now I do. I do. Used to be a time when I thought that I had nothing to lose.
This song makes a lot of sense. When you're with your right person, everything makes sense. Yes, you know, if you didn't know what love is, if you didn't know what it feels to not be without somebody or what it feels to be with someone special, everything just makes sense. You do get it, and that's what this message is saying. Harmon, here's a special message from Heeraan. Happy Valentine's Day, my boo thing, my hubby, my partner in crime. I couldn't have dreamt of doing life with anyone else. Cheers to many more years of celebrating love and life. And to you beautiful couples, I hope you enjoy this lovely day in your life together. Happy Valentine's Day. Alright, lovely people, I hope you guys are enjoying the messages, the beautiful love song, lovely song, expressing all the love and feelings to one another, because we need to do that, you know. Just because we married, because we dated for a long time, does not mean we get to stop to tell each other how much they mean to each other. You always gotta let each other know what they mean to you, how much they mean to you, you know what I mean? Life is too short to not express. I mean, come on. Where's the love? Share it. And this type of day just makes it that much easier to just do that little extra, as I said. Now, let's go to another couple. And here's another dedication song from Fiammetta to Kia Fetum. Kia, a song by Ali Birra and Mukhtar Adero. I mean, you put Adero with Ali Birra and you create that type of love song. I mean, even people that's not in love will fall in love. I mean, you feel that? The lyrics, the melody, just the beat. I mean, everything about that song is beautiful. One of my favorite songs, hands down. And now, let's get to the message from Feyameta. Bubu Yeko. I'm sorry if I said that wrong. Bubu Yeko. Valentine's Day is just an excuse. But you know that I love you every day, every moment. You are my companion, my best friend, and my lover all in one body. Happy Valentine's Day, hubby. That's beautiful. I mean, may God bless all of y'all marriage. Just like Fiamita said, Valentine's Day is just an excuse. It's the icing on the cake. Every single day, every single moment is special with someone that you love. So continue to cherish one another. Kana jechuun jaalala keessan walii ibsaa, wal jaaladhaa, wal bira dhaabadhaa, wal qarqaaraa, walitti himaa, jaalalti boqonnaa hin qabdu. Alright, you guys, and now we have come to the last dedication of this episode. Abba Gada dedicating a special Valentine's song to Ribi, Olmaan Kee by Haacaaluu.
Kee tulfaatee ka'anaaf feenaa oolte rakkinaaf gadadoo kan nafaan argitee anoo humnaan qabu waa tokko siin godhoo du'ee baaduu sillee aansinee hirraanfadhu anoo humnaan qabu waa tokko siin godhoo du'ee baaduu sillee aansinee hirraanfadhu. dandeessu koo yaa bara fakkaatu narra gaasiif baha kan akka kee hin jirtu rabbaanaaf si uume hunda kee tottolchee keessa kee fi bifa kee wal qixa bareeche hunda dandeessu koo yaa bara fakkaatu narra gaasiif baha kan akka kee hin jirtu rabbaanaaf si uume hunda kee tottolchee keessa kee fi bifa kee wal qixa bareeche jireenyi koo marri jireenyi dacheerra si malee naan ta'u waa hundi waa mara anoo humnaan qabu waa tokko si godhu du'ee baduusillee maal sinii hirraanfatu jireenyi koo marri jireenyi dacheerra si malee naan ta'u waa hundi waa mara anoo humnaan qabu waa tokko si godhu du'ee baduusillee maal sinii hirraanfatu kee tulfaatee ka'anaaf na oolte rakkinaaf gadadoo kan nafaan argitee anoo humnaan qabu waa tokko sin godhu du'ee baaduusillee an sinii hirraanfadhu anoo humnaan qabu waa tokko sin godhu du'ee baaduusillee an sinii hirraanfadhu kam himeen kam dhiisaa waan ati naaf taate rakkannaani rakkate gaddinaani gaddite obseetoo beektuutu yaa goota jaalala naaf jiraadhu malee maalaan jedha sila kam himeen kam dhiisaa waan ati naaf taate rakkannaani rakkate gaddinaani gaddite obsee koo beektuu koo yaa goota jaalala naaf jiraadhu malee maalaan jedha sila waa'ee kee ibsuudhaaf an jechootan qabu yoo jirtuun an jira kanaan achiin jiru anoo humnaan qabu waa tokko sin godhu du'ee baduusillee an sinii hirraanfadhu waa'ee kee ibsuudhaaf an jechootan qabu yoo jirtuun an jira kanaan achiin jiru anoo humnaan qabu waa tokko sin
Kam himee kam dhiisaa waan ati naaf taate rakkannaani rakkate gaddinaani gaddite. I mean, oh my gosh, you could not go wrong with this song. This song literally sums up everything you feel about your spouse. I mean, he says it all. Nama wajjin jaalattee wal jaalattee waliin rakkattee galata baafattuu fi yoo hin dandeenyes sirba kanaanii himatee jira. Hanga danda'utti jaalala ofii ibseefii jira. And with that being said, Abagada has a special Valentine's Day shout out to Ribi. Ribi, here's your message. The most sabontu and bareedu Oromo woman who has a strong sense of Oromuma. Every day is Valentine's Day because you're special and I love you. Sinjalada. He also would like to add a line from a song. Ya free jalala, situ hunda chala, dawa onnetiya, yom siwalala. And he's not done. Abagada is here to express. He also has another line from a song. Mal gode an sirrachita, sifutde finfinnefi, lagada dilita. Rivi abangada hagan jalatu, kara adadatin sifif sejara. Happy Valentine's Day to both of you. Alright you guys, this is the end of our episode for today. We had a lot of love shared, a lot of love spreading around, you know what I mean? Like, this is so beautiful to see. Continue to love each other, continue to showing each other how much you mean to one another, cherish the time that you share. Valentine's Day is not just about gifts, it's about the time that you spend with each other. So make sure this Valentine's, you're not just stopping at the store and getting someone a flower or chocolate. Spend some quality time together. Make a surprise. Here's a little tip. Maybe cook together. Maybe cook for your spouse that usually does the cooking. You know, let her or him relax and you do the cooking. Clean up the house. Have a movie night. You know what I mean? These are the little things. Dinner, movie dates. Little things that you guys can do that will mean so much. So make every time, every second you spend together count because you never know. Life is too short. Love one another. Be happy, enjoy, stay healthy. This has been a Valentine's episode on HomeHitz. Until we see you back again next week with Going Around Oromia. Yes, we will be going to. Stay tuned to find out. Until then, this is NDJ and this is HomeHitz on Heeraan Studios. Until next time, bye! Wait, hold on. Let's not go yet. This is HomeHitz. We are here to always drop you with some new hits. And yes, we have a new song that just recently dropped that is everywhere on social media. You ready? Gumgume by Andalam Gosa. Let's go!
Ganama uge fanna oromumma waloma sertu sera namoma waloma wali gadangal tinama waloma Mutu kormata maramoti kada walonga tuga wala babati re guranga no guracha guraloti kure guranga no guracha guraloti ya baya ya ilmana ya ila fila vento como aya ya baya ya ilmana ya ila fila como aya Sagal taman sita jabe itti moga mogatti wallalu shimbir laga murmuri marmaru amna karra karratti walwalu balbeka waligalu harka ide wal sakalu arabni dugadi wan aradaldalu sera dabse mama walulu laki silaki Dabona bime waka waluma wala Afrika ya soreko ya sorora walu walfana walinuga watana Guyyaa sooreko yaa sororako waloo alfaana waliin nuga waltaana walooma 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 waliin walooma gurree gurraan galu gurraacha gurraalooti korjoo kormaan kormu korommi warra kooti lammii lammii yaadu lammachi nu bayaati bokkuu gadaan galtu addunyaa mara mooti. Gurree gurraan galu gurraacha gurraalooti gurree gurraan galu gurraacha gurraalooti tabbaan tabba tabba tabbatti ol yaabu lagaan laga laga lagatachi darbu komoon komoo qabu komatti wal qabu komoon gamtaa qabu mataa gadiin qabu harki harka harka iidee wal sakaalu arrabni dhugaa dhiibee waan karaa daldalu seera uumaa dabsee uumamaa wal lakki lakkisiile dafoo dafimee waaqa waaqa walooma waan Afrikaa guyyaa sooreko yaa sororako waloo walfaana waliin nuga waltaana guyyaa sooreko yaa sororako waloo walfaana waliin nuga waltaana